Hello and welcome to today's financial news, brought to you by FX, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Oracle stock surged 36% on Wednesday, closing at $328.33, after reporting a record-breaking $455 billion backlog and forecasting explosive growth in its cloud infrastructure business. The Nikkei index traded above $44,000 on Thursday, extending its advance from the previous session, as a surprise drop in U.S. producer prices for August fueled expectations of deeper Federal Reserve rate cuts. U.S. gasoline futures climbed past $2 per gallon, as higher crude benchmarks, tight refining capacity, and geopolitical tensions outweighed temporary stock builds and underscored tight market balances. The Australian dollar edged higher to around 66 cents, approaching its highest level since early November last year, supported by improved risk appetite amid growing bets on a Fed rate cut. Ether traded above $4,400 this Thursday, as anticipation around its exchange-traded fund approvals and upcoming network upgrades has amplified bullish sentiment. Now let's take a look at today's key economic events. At 12:15 p.m., the euro area will publish its September interest rate figures, following August's reading of 2.15%. Then, at 12:30 p.m., the U.S. annual inflation rate is expected to rise, after hitting 2.7% in July. Looking ahead to tomorrow's highlights. At 6 a.m., the UK will release July's GDP data, following a 0.4% increase in June. And at 2 p.m., the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index in the U.S. is projected to decline, after reaching 58.2 in August.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by FX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.